Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix track phone MMS not working, cannot send or receive MMS. Service plan expired. Ensure your service plan is active and up to date. If it has expired, you will not be able to send or receive SMS or MMS messages. Weak or no signal. A weak or no signal can prevent MMS messages from sending or receiving. Try moving to a different location with a strong signal. Network issues. Network connectivity issue can also prevent MMS from working. Messaging app issue. Clear the cache and data of your messaging app. If this doesn't work, try using a different messaging app like Google Messages or Samsung Messages. Fix 1. Check MMS status in iPhone. MMS will not be allowed by default in Android, but if you are using iPhone, make sure MMS is enabled in your device. For iOS, go to Settings, then scroll down to Message Settings and tap on Messages, MMS Messages and turn it on. Fix 2. Turn on and off the aeroplane mode. You face SMS issue if the aeroplane mode is enabled on your phone. For iOS, open the control center on your iPhone or iPad by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Android, open the notification bar by swiping down from the top of the screen. Look for the aeroplane mode icon in the notification bar and tap on it to turn it on or off. Fix 3. If the data saver is on, you will face an issue with receiving the messages SMS. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular Data option. Tap on the data mode and ensure the low data mode isn't checked. Scroll down to the mobile data section. Android. Go to Settings, then click on Network and Internet and click on Data Saver. Toggle it off. Fix 4. Check background data features. You might have enabled the background data restrictions, hence the MMS error occurs. To disable the background data, for iOS, go to Settings and General, then Background Refresh app. Disable it. For Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Data Saver, then Restricted Apps and Total of the Message app. Fix 5. Check the TracFone balance and usage. Method 1. Use the TracFone website. Your plan might have been expired or you have reached the limit. Check the balance and usage history by following method. Log into your TracFone account. Go to the TracFone website and log into your account dashboard. Manage your lines. In the dashboard, click on the Manage Lines option. Check plan and usage details. On the Manage Lines page, you should see the plan and usage details for your line. Method 2. Use the TracFone My Account app. Download the TracFone My Account app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Launch the app, sign in with your TracFone account login details. Sign in with your TracFone account login details. Click on the Account tab. Check your remaining balance and install the widget on your home screen to display your balance. Method 3. Call 7771 hash. Dial 7771 hash from your TracFone device. This method is only available for some phones and may not work for all devices. Method 4. Text balance to 611611. Text the word balance to 611611 from your TracFone device. You will receive an automated text message response containing your balance information including your talk, text and data totals, as well as your service and date. If required, buy an SSD plan for the uninterrupted service. Fix 6. Check network coverage. Ensure you are in an area with a good network coverage. Go to the TracFone coverage page, input your zip code in the text box, click on Enter Location button and check the coverage in your area. Change your location and see if there is any improvement in the signal bar in the phone. Fix 7. Clear the message app cache, memory and data. Clear the cache memory will delete the corrupted data and resolve any issues related message. Clearing the cache will not delete your actual text messages, but it will remove temporary cache's data. For Android, go to Settings, then click on App, then Messages, then clear the cache memory. Wait for the process to complete. If the issue persists, click on Clear Data, wait the process to complete and restart your phone. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone storage and then Messages. Click on Offload app. Restart your phone and repeat the above step and click on Install button to install the messaging app. Clearing the data will delete all your message history and conversations. Fix 8. Check your device software update. Ensure your phone software is up to date. Your old software version can cause network issues. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, you will see an option to download and install. Tap on Download and Install and enter your passcode if prompted. For Android device, open the settings and go to the System, then System Update. It will check for any available update. If an update is available, you can download and install it. The update will download and then prompt you to install it. Your device will restart and install the new iOS version. Fix 9. Restart the network settings. Resetting network settings will eliminate any issue while processing the signal and device network settings. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on the reset and select the reset network settings. Enter the password to confirm the action. For Android, open the Settings app, scroll down to System and click on Reset. Tap on the reset network setting and select reset to confirm the action. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.